Hi there, my name is Sahil Prajapati. I'm the student of MSc Project Management, and my student ID is 977555923. So today we are going to talk about the sustainability project management. So in this subject, I choose the smart eco-friendly water purification system as my project. So if we are going to talk about project objective, deliverable, and the sustainability goals. So the main object of this project is the development of sustainable and technological prototype, and the development and distribution of the product may result in functionality and the proper installation for the target communities. With the swaps evaluation performance, sustainability monitoring may be possible. So if we are going to talk about the deliverable, enhance of swap unit functionality, technological document for installation, operation and maintenance, report on sustainability using the documentation, uh, fitting checking farm work for supportability, and the execution following sustainability goal. So there are three kind of sustainability goal: environment, social and economical. For the environmental, using of swap user solar energy and the recycle material to reduce its carbon footprint. Social sustainability goal is the estimate include clean drinking water, uh, which will improve health and reduce watermark disease. Economical, obtaining support from the local economy for the new job and the training program. So the social audit of this thing is like environmental, social and governance. In environmental there are internal and external; in social, internal and external; in governance, or internal. uh, in environmental, internal, external policy, regulator compliance, waste management, resource efficiency, with the very high important, with the ranking of 5. Environmental impact assessment, uh, important high with the 4. Monitoring and measurement documentation is the moderate with ranking 3. In environmental, external, regulatory compliance with high, uh, with ranking of 4. Environmental performance importance very high with ranking 5. Third party certification and sustainability reporting, importance moderate, with ranking 3. uh, in social, internal, social policies, employee welfare training, importance very high with the ranking of 5. Employee diversity, inclusion, community engagement, ethical conduct, employment satisfaction with the importance high with the ranking of 4. Social impact assessment, moderate with the ranking of 3. External regulatory compliance, moderate, ranking 3. Stakeholder engagement and corporate social responsibility with the importance of high with ranking 4. If we are going to talk about the governance, there is only internal. So in governance, revenue generation, investment, resource allocation is very high with the ranking of 5. Financial management, economical risk management, financial regulation with the importance of high with the ranking 4. Performance metrics with the moderate with ranking 3. So project breakdown, means project work breakdown. So the first thing is smart eco-friendly water purification system swap project. Water source identification and acquisition. Second thing is initiate water quality assurance. Third one is main training process. Fourth one is distribution and monitoring. Fifth is user engagement and education. If we are going to talk about the sustainability area, identification, resource allocation. So there are three resource: material resource, human resource and technological resource. In material, it's material, internal, internet of the thing, of filtration component, solar panel. In human resources, project manager, local coordinates, sustainability expert, engineers, community training. In technology, remote technology throughout the internet of thing, advanced filtration technology, data tracking software. Stakeholder engagement. So there are local communities, NGOs and non-profit governance bodies, investor and funder, supplier, employee, community leader, health organization, environmental group, media and public, media and public relation academic institution. uh, so stakeholder matrix, so local community, NGOs, non-profit, then supplier, employee, media and public relation academic with the uh, social ESG, uh, with the high importance, uh, uh, then government bodies, investor and funder, uh, health organization, medium, all are in the governance. In environmental, community leader and environmental group with the high importance. Supplier matrix, environmental, social and governance. Uh, uh, in the environmental, carbon intensity of the supply chain, energy effective measure, recycle material use is importance very high, scope 333, total 9. Social, fair labor practice high, regulator compliance high with the 3 point, diversity pollution with the medium, with the 2 point it's total 8. Governance, reliability of deliver high, 3 point, responsiveness low, importance with the total of 4 point. Supplier assessment matrix, so in supplier assessment matrix, there are bid paperwork, 1 month assessment, 6 month assessment, and annual assessment. Supplier assessment method. There are two kind of supplier assessment matrix. Uh, First one is environmental responsibility, social responsibility, economic responsibility, circular economy, resources optimization. And for the second supplier assessment matrix, reliability, recyclability, price, quality, diversity, and equality. For the starting bid paperwork, environmental responsibility is very high, social responsibility, use of renewable energy, it's a very high, economical responsible, fair practice, medium, circular economy, take a big scheme, it's at high, resources optimization with the very high. At the annual, it's all are high because there is change, no change, change, no change, change, no change. In the second supplier assessment matrix, reliability, recyclability, uh, price, quality, and diversity. So in bid paperwork, reliability is at very high, recyclability is low, because we start the work. Price at high because it's like inauguration for the product. Quality is very low because we don't have to maintain a quality because we making a new product. Diversity and equality is medium or moderate, you can say. In this thing, annual assessment is very high, very low, high, low, very low, respectively. uh, so if you are going to talk about the environmental responsibility, social responsibility, economical responsibility, circular economy, resources optimization, so supplier 1, 2, or 3, there are three kind of the supplier, and all the other metrics will be different from bid to annual. So the uh, supplier 1 matrix from starting to end is 89789. Supplier 2 is at the 78878. At the supplier 3, 97898. Waste management, yeah, waste management is the thing that we have to 100% secure about the waste management. Identify of the waste, collection of the waste, storage of the waste material, proper handling process, disposable of the waste, recycle of the waste, reporting and appropriate monitoring, contribution improvement process. Sustainability management enhancement, inclusion of the Internet of Things sensor for the data collection and monitoring, utilization of the predictive maintenance and big data for the data analysis, purification process, energy management, remote monitoring, optimization of water uses with the software for the water management, smart technology, decision point or a gateway, identification, measure, initiate water identification parameters, pre-treatment process, remove large derbies, purify the water, processing, post-treatment, necessary adjustment, quality assurance. That's it. Stakeholder identification, identification of the stakeholder, Defined role and responsibility, map stakeholder, touch point, water source identification, identification of the water quality assessment, pre-treatment, mean treatment, post-treatment, quality assurance, distribution, maintenance and monitoring, user feedback and education, regulatory compliance and reporting, respectively. Touch point or interaction, water source identification, initiate water quality assessment, pre-treatment process, mean treatment process, food treatment process. This is the touch point or interaction between the uh, project management team, governance, regulatory bodies, local community, uh, managers, and everything in this, respectively. Measurable target of the benchmark of the KPIs, along with the monitoring it through monthly report. The emission of the carbon dioxide include the unkeep of the environmental metrics. Also, energy utilization incorporated with the uses of inhexibility sources that can be reorganize according to the declaration of the sustainability power of the energy review. The social measure include the objective of the local area through the watermark skinness disease. Also, throughout the project, local coordinate employee report also determine the creation of job. These are the reference which I used, like for the information. Thank you so much. This is my report.